how I can teach you to use PLC programming in your facility to save you tens of thousands of dollars. The other day I talked to a company supervisor in the maintenance department, and he told me that they had some equipment down for over a month that ended up wasting $600,000 or losing out on $600,000 of revenue that they could have made if the equipment was running properly. And they were waiting on an outside contractor to come in and help them with the PLC programming aspect of that equipment. If they had had their technicians trained on PLC programming and troubleshooting, they could have potentially saved that $600,000. So if you want your team to be equipped and ready to handle these types of situations that can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, check out the accelerated program where we help technicians become confident PLC programmers.